And now we're heading to the other side of the globe. Our next guest speaker is Dao Vituan from Vietnam. He's Deputy Director at TDIC and will illustrate the essential role of building information modeling in infrastructure projects through real-world examples.
Hello everyone, I am Da Vic Tuấn. I am honored to represent TDIC Vietnam at the Upland Build the Future event today. I am Deputy Director at TDIC. I had 22 years of experience in project management and design. My role is managing projects to make sure they are a success. In Vietnam and in partnership with KFP Logistics, a company based in logistics. Founded in 2007, TDIC focused on urban and industrial infrastructure planning. We provide high-quality construction, consultation, and project management service. We also do design review, cost estimation, and construction supervision. About 10 years ago, building information modeling was not popular here. Most construction firms here rely on 2D software for design, which makes coordinating and ensuring quality challenging. Also, there were only around 20% engineers that can use BIM tool, and Upland were not well known in our country back then. Even though Vietnam must be mandatory in 2023, companies are not using as much as the government expected. But with more strict requirements from investors, using BIM become more important for construction companies to win projects. Seeing an advantage of using Upland on our overseas project for years, and we found it very helpful. So starting from 2018, we started integrating Upland into the most of our big projects in Vietnam. Upland has been a game changer for our company. Firstly, it has improved design accuracy by making 3D models of building, integrating detailed component information to minimize design errors. Second, it makes things faster and smoother. It allows everyone to work on the same model as one and check for clashes and overlap to avoid mistakes. Upland have to save time and optimize the workflow by automatically calculate quantity, steel reinforcement, and create reports quickly. Upland also keep everything organized by store all the material info and technical detail right in the model. This makes managing projects much easier. Finally, Upland makes it easy to change design. Any changes are automatically shown in the model, making it adaptable during the process. BIM is becoming more crucial in Vietnam. The government stresses adoption, especially for large projects. At TDIC, we have been using Upland for over 10 years, helping us stay ahead and do better projects. Working with German partners, we learned useful things to make our project in Vietnam greater. So we will keep using BIM in our design process. In 2023, we got to work on the Südaward project in Germany. One big part of it was design a new bridge to replace an old railway track. We use Oplan to manage the project quantity from design to build. Also, Oplan helps us solve many design problems with how of steel parts fit together. Another important project we want to mention here is Văn Lê Bridge in Quảng Nam province. The bridge is over 450 meters long. It is a great transportation structure with a design lifespan of 100 years. We use Oplan to create the concept, make 3D model to show to stockholders, and implement detail design, all in one platform. A notable part of the bridge is a curve section. By using 3D model in Oplan, it was easier to design, test the steel structure, and keep track how much material we need. In the future, we want to get better at BIM design. We plan to complete 18 to 19% of our big projects using BIM. Right now, 40% of our team can use Oplan or BIM well, and we will train the rest of the team this year. Currently, TDIC is using Oplan Road and Oplan Bridge for full BIM projects. We are also starting to automate steel reinforcement design using Oplan Pattern Pack and visual scripting in our engineering team. As we keep using BIM and automation, we are confident that we will make projects better and stay ahead in construction innovation.
Thank you, Dao, for sharing with us these amazing projects and your deep BIM knowledge and experience.